The GALAX PRO Drill Driver Kit boasts a powerful copper motor that provides a maximum torque of 265 inch-pounds, making it ideal for both drilling and driving tasks. With its efficient impact driver, this tool delivers an impressive 882.5 inch-pounds of torque, ensuring superior fastening power for various applications. The ergonomic design features a soft rubber handle for a comfortable grip and a built-in LED light, enhancing usability in dark areas. Equipped with a 20-volt maximum battery, the kit includes a 1.3 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery that ensures prolonged operation and quick 1-hour charging. The GALAX Pro Kit comes complete with 11 accessories and a convenient tool bag, making it a versatile and comprehensive choice for any DIY enthusiast. This cordless combo kit includes everything you need, from a compact drill and impact driver to multiple bits and a fast charger, ensuring readiness for any project.